Hello viewers, welcome to Aarohi Sewing Enterprises. How are you all? In this video I am showing you how to auto digitize some logos and designs. Here you can see how we are doing the auto digitization of Amma design. Amma is the Telugu letter, it means mother. Everyone loves mother. So here I am showing you how you can also make it. You need the Wilcom Embroidery Digitization software, and we need to know what are the steps for making it. If you are interested for learning Wilcom Digitization course and purchasing Wilcom licensed software, please reach out to us. We can provide you all the details. So anyone can digitize it. It is easy. Just you need the time. You need little practice, and you can make your own designs. You can do the customization. So there are many tips and tricks. I am ready to help you out. So please get in touch with us. Thank you.